Hello and welcome to this video course on the Ultimate Note-Taking System. This video course was created for you so that you will learn how to effectively take notes and retain the right knowledge. Let me first start by asking you a question. Do you remember a time where, or maybe many times, where you've taken notes and you've tried to refer back to them maybe the day before the test or maybe a day before you actually apply it? You look at the notes and you think, what was I thinking? And you really don't understand your notes, you don't really recall the notes, and you really don't know how to apply the notes. That could be a very, very frustrating point in the process. So the goal here is to help you take effective notes, not necessarily transcribe everything that the speaker is saying, but take effective notes using specific strategies to help you retain the right knowledge so that when it comes to apply the knowledge, it's going to be a lot easier. So welcome again. This is video number 1, which is the introduction. And what I'm going to be talking about in this specific video is I'm going to give you a brief overview of the video course itself, and I'm going to talk about the basics before we actually jump in, master the actual note-taking strategies. So this is going to be useful for taking notes during meetings, during webinars, during conferences, and to help you really retain that knowledge so that you can apply it to your job, to your business, to whatever you're trying to do, and to lectures. So video number 1 is obviously this particular video, but in video number 2, I am going to prepare you for actually taking note. So before we jump right in and start talking about the actual strategies and methods of note-taking, I want to make sure that I prepare your mind and prepare your environment so that you can be effective. So that's what we'll talk about in video number 3, is setting the mood for productive note-taking. Then in video number 4, we'll jump right in and talk about the actual strategies such as note-taking methods. In video number 5, we're going to talk about specific tools that you can use to speed things up, automate and semi-automate things by using, for example, Asana, which is a tool. And we're going to talk about the exciting features and how to utilize it to your advantage. Video number 6, we're going to talk about Evernote, which is another note-taking system, and we're going to talk about its unique features, and we'll talk about easy to use audio players. We'll talk about reviewing and editing your notes once you are done. So with that said, let's move on to video number 2, and let's talk about preparation, which is crucial before you actually begin to take some notes.